Substation Grounding. Welcome to the Electricity Forum Training Institute, or EFTI, a trusted leader in electrical training for the North American power industry. Since 1986, we've trained more than 60,000 electrical professionals to work safer, smarter, and in compliance with today's complex electrical safety codes and standards. This 12-hour instructor-led course explores the essential aspects of substation grounding, including ground grid design, step and touch potential analysis, testing methods, fault current management, and compliance with IEEE and international standards. It prepares students to reduce hazards and ensure substation safety. What you'll learn. Students will study the principles of substation grounding, design of ground grids and conductor layouts, step and touch potential safety considerations, testing of substation grounding systems, and compliance with IEEE and international standards. This course involves detailed lectures and group discussions on integrating lightning protection with substation grounding systems. Students review case studies and learn practical strategies for cost-effective protection and risk reduction. Who should attend? This course is designed for utility engineers, technicians, substation designers, maintenance staff, safety managers, and project engineers. This course comes with a Substation Grounding Training Certificate, 1.2 CEU credits, 12 professional development hours, and a detailed course handbook. Strengthen your grounding design expertise and improve substation safety. Register today for EFTI's Substation Grounding Training.